In this video, I'll guide you through how to share Google Keep notes with others so you can easily collaborate, stay organized, and keep everyone on the same page. First, let's quickly talk about what sharing in Google Keep actually does. When you share a note, you're not just sending someone a copy, you're inviting them to work on the same live note with you. That means any changes you make, like adding text, checklists, or images, can be seen by the other person in real time, and their changes will show up for you as well. It's great for shared to-do lists, grocery lists, project ideas, or anything you need to manage together. To get started, open a web browser and go to keep.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the note you want to share. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're in the right one so you don't accidentally share the wrong note or wonder why a note is missing. Once you're on the main Google Keep page, you'll see all your existing notes laid out like cards. Find the note you want to share. If you have a lot of notes, you can scroll through them or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific one by keyword. When you see the note you want, click on it to open it and bring it into focus. At the bottom of the note, you'll see a row of icons for different actions you can take. Look for the collaborator icon. It usually looks like a small outline of a person, sometimes with a plus sign. This is the button you'll use to add other people to your note. Go ahead and click that collaborator icon. A small window will pop up where you can manage who has access to the note. In this window, you'll see a field where you can add people. Click in that field and type the email address of the person you want to share the note with. Make sure you enter it correctly, because this is how Google Keep knows who to invite. As you type, you may see suggestions appear if the person is already in your contacts, and you can simply click on their email from the list. Remember, when you share a note in Google Keep, the person you invite will be able to both view and edit the note. There isn't a view-only mode in Keep sharing, so only share with people you trust to make changes. This is perfect for teamwork, but it's something to be aware of if you're sharing important information. After you've entered the email address, look for the Save button in that same sharing window and click it. This confirms your choice and sends the collaboration invite to that person. As soon as you click Save, the person you added will now be able to view and edit the shared note from their own Google Keep once they're signed in with the email you used. From this point on, any edits either of you makes to the note will be reflected for everyone who has access. If you later decide you no longer want someone to collaborate on the note, you can return to the collaborator icon, open the sharing window again, and remove their email from the list. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly share Google Keep notes with others and collaborate more efficiently on tasks, lists, and ideas.